Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. Apple has finally confirmed when we'll see a new wave of iPads. And it's long been rumored this is where we're going to see the very first iPads with OLED displays coming in 11-inch and 12.9-inch sizes. Unfortunately, the smaller of the two may be a little difficult to get hold of initially, due to shipment issues. According to display analyst Ross Young, there have been more shipments of OLED displays for the 12.9-inch iPad Pro. This is apparently down to Samsung, which has been supplying some of the displays for the smaller tablet, facing technical challenges in their production due to the two emission layers in the panel. Young previously predicted that the 12.9-inch OLED displays would be manufactured by LG, while both Samsung and LG would produce 11-inch panels. Considering Young hasn't predicted a shortage of the larger screen iPad Pros, I'd guess that LG hasn't been having those same problems. Or, at the very least, the production issues aren't having quite as big an impact on larger panels. Currently the 11-inch iPad Pro is $300 cheaper at $799, but it's also packing a regular LCD display. The $1,099 12.9-inch model has a mini LED XDR display with all the benefits that panel offers, like vivid colors and deeper blacks. Since both new iPad Pros are expected to have OLED panels, the price difference may not be so large. But we will have to wait until May 7th to find out for sure. Other upgrades expected to come on the new iPads include a new slimmer design, the Apple M3 chip, a new camera in the landscape position, an upgraded Magic Keyboard and the third-generation Apple Pencil. There's been word the Let Loose event will also see the launch of a larger 12.9-inch iPad Air, albeit without the OLED display. So, we wait and see what Apple packed for us next month. That is it guys, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching, see you on my next video. Peace out.